Hello, we are going to see the continuation of genetic code. We have seen how the genetic codes are formed, and we have seen the tabular column of 16 into 64 codes we have seen, is it? The first, second and the third codes, nitrogen bases are involved, and that is called the genetic code. Now, we have seen in mutation, the previous lesson, mutation, two types. Mutation in the gene, mutation in the chromosome. But we are talking about genetic code. So this mutation, suppose if any mutation takes place in the genetic code, it is called point mutation. It is called point mutation. That means the change takes place only in one set of code or one gene. Okay, we have seen some example of this mutation. The example is sickle cell anemia is a diseased condition where the RBCs from a normal stage become elongated. Once it become elongated, they cannot carry proper amount of oxygen, that leads to anemic condition, less transport of oxygen. So that is called the sickle cell anemia, which is a point mutation. Okay, and what actually happened in this sickle cell anemia, we have seen actually it has to make the amino acid glutamine is to be formed by a particular set of gene. A small change takes place, that is point mutation takes place. It will make a change in this process and it produces another amino acid called valine. This is what happened in sickle cell anemia, we have already seen. If you want to refer my video number 14, okay, this is video number 18, right? You refer 14, you will get it very clear. And this is called the point mutation. We will see with some example to understand this process, how it takes place, right? Say there is a sentence given in the book, okay. Say Ram has a red cat. Ram has. See why they have taken this is just to make you understand. Instead of codes, they have taken 3 alphabets and with some meaning to understand. Okay. Now suppose instead of this R, in this place a mutation takes place. Okay, instead of R, suppose I am introducing a word B. B is, and the R, instead of R, it is mutated into B. What will happen? Right, you see, Ram has, instead of R, B. B will come here. So B, R, E and D. D will go here. C, A and P will be separate. So this will become like this. The first, if there is a small change in one letter. If suppose, if it is happening in the next stage again, in the same place, in the same gene, the change is continuing. With the letter I. Now you read. Ram has B, I, R, E, B, C, A, P. You see? It will become like this. Okay. The second stage. Suppose the same area, another, instead of these, suppose another color I will take, yellow. Suppose G is nitrogen base, G is introduced. Now you write Ram has no change. Here already we have written B in this color, I in this color, and G in this color. Okay, now here also I'll write I. Already this B is in pink color, we'll use that B. Okay, now what happened? The G has come and it become completely BIG, is it? Then now you read R E D. Now you see what happened. 3 times the nitrogen bases are changed. That is a triplet. The code is always a triplet code. So when the changes happen like this, what will happen is, see, the entire sentence is Ram has a red cap, Ram has a red cap, but what has happened now, because of mutation, completely a different meaning comes in between. So that will make a change in the production of a amino acid. Instead of amino acid, what is to be brought in the third place, red, the another new chemical will come and that will disturb the process. That leads to some abnormal condition. That is the problem of mutation. So some changes takes place that leads to change in the process of protein synthesis. It's sequence of proteins in the production. Okay. So this is called mutation on a genetic. This mutation takes place only in one triplet code. That is why it is called point mutation. And here what happened is, sometimes it is an addition, sometimes it is a deletion. It may be an addition or deletion. And this method is called frame shift method. This is called, see, complete frame is shifted. That's why it is called a frame shift method. This is a simple explanation for gene mutation. Okay, just go through. It's a very simple question that you can, with this example, you can explain with these 3 colors. Okay, bye.